When the software is open, we need to start a new project. We will do this by clicking on the command New. A new window will open. By default, Part will be checked, which is the environment in which we will work, so we will not touch that option. We will write the name of the project gear pump body in the file name. It is only important to remember that in PTC Creo, we use the bottom line instead of spaces. The Use Default Template field needs to be unchecked. Then click the OK button. Immediately after the confirmation of the project, a window will pop up where it is necessary to define the dimensions or the standard according to which you are working. In our case, we chose millimeters, newtons, and seconds, as if it were part and solid. When the workspace opens, select the Extrude command and select the top plane. We will use the Center Rectangle tool to make a rectangle as a base of a body. A rectangle 15 mm wide and 25 mm long. Once we have dimensioned our base, we will extrude it by 6 mm in height. Using the Extrude tool, we select the upper surface and then orient ourselves towards that plane. With the Circle tool, we draw a two-circle of 8 mm in diameter and vertical axis. But the distance of 16 mm from the ends of the circles. Then connect the circles with lines. Delete all unnecessary lines. Then we create a circle with a diameter of 3 mm on the line. Then again, delete all unnecessary lines. Extrude to an object depth of 3 mm using an Extrude Cut Tool. Using the Extrude tool, we select the upper surface and then orient ourselves towards that plane. With the Circle tool, we draw one circle of 3 mm in diameter and 3 mm distance from edge. Using an Extrude Cut Tool and through all, make a hole. Using the Mirror tool, we will make 4 holes like this. Using the Extruder tool, we will select the inner surface. We will use the smaller circle from the previous step as a reference. With the Circle tool, we draw one circle of 3 mm in diameter. Using an Extrude Cut Tool and through all, make a hole. Using the Extruder tool, we will select the inner surface. We will use the smaller circle from the previous step as a reference. With the Circle tool, we draw one circle of 4 mm in diameter. Using an Extrude Cut Tool, I'll make a hole 1.5 mm long. Using the extruder tool, we will select the side surface. We create a hole with a diameter of 5 mm and a depth of 1.5 mm. Using the hole tool, we will make a hole in the inner side surface. Using strings that we will tie to the plane and dimension, the hole will be defined and make a sharp end hole. Use the round tool to round the corners by 1 mm. And that is the last operation. To see what our model looks like in reality, we can use realistic rendering. We will assign material, let's say aluminum, and see how it looks in reality. This is the end of our project. I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to ask them. I wish you a pleasant day.